All right, guys, we are very excited to be here with you today because we have a wild and crazy skateboard contraption.
I'm scared.
Invention.
Get in the chopper.
Now say that again, but with like twice the passion and 5 times as loud.
Get in the chopper.
Get in the chopper!
Get in the chopper.
We've seen these crazy skateboard inventions on Instagram, and our friend Hector, he made this and sent it to us. I'm just gonna give you a little whirl of what this thing is about.
That's what goes on in my brain every single day.
I don't even know what goes on in my brain.
This.
Okay.
The reverse way.
The other direction. It basically has a giant bearing in the middle, 2 boards. I have no idea if we're gonna be able to do anything on this, but I want you to just handstand the top one and just spin in circles.
I'll try.
They spin so fast that you actually go into helicopter flight. For such an interesting board, maybe we should use the world's most interesting trucks.
Come with me if you want to live.
I'm a cop, you idiot.
Terminator. That's all I had.
I want 9mm bullets on my pizza.
Stop. Stop.
Where's the driver of the screws?
It's over there. It's Ozzy.
Howdy, bros.
Oh no, what have you done?
Ow!
Are you using your hand?
Yeah. Get to the helicopter. He just got here. We've only used that joke 13 times already, Uzi. No, no. Do it! No!
Too late.
I'm saying it's gonna break.
No!
Works.
A little bit.
Weird, dude. Oh yeah, come on, that's done.
Is it possible to like do a revert on the top, but the board stays going the same way?
We'll figure that out.
No.
Hey, come on. It's like when you play skate, but this is advanced mode.
Whoa! Kickflip late shove.
So I figured if you kick from here or here, it's gonna make the board go all haywire, so kick from the bolts.
Oh, that's what you meant? When you said bolts, I thought you meant this.
There's no bolts there.
I just like got the extreme fear that the board was gonna swivel out and hit me in the nuts.
And it will. Gosh dang it, your hair is good today.
Yes!
How did that happen?
The second he said, like, I learned something about this, I was like thinking, I don't think that's gonna work. Oh! This is the most deadly skateboard in the entire world.
Oh, there you go!
I can do this. The problem is landing on it, because you land and it spins you. How did I do that? Now all of a sudden I can't even stand on there. All right, let's go. And then you're last. What in the world does it do? Go ahead, Fetty, give it your best shot. Oh! Come to the shopper!
Come to the shopper!
Whoa!
Carlos is the prettiest ballerina.
Oh no! I'm saying it can be done.
Is it okay?
Yeah, just the fake. This tail hit the ground. Like
Oh.
this one.
You gotta like keep your feet and land there.
Oh.
You know, it's only doing that to Carlos.
I know.
I want that to be done.
Hey Uzi, hit me with that slow-mo.
What is he doing over there?
Looks like he was just listening to the new Justin Bieber album. Concentration. Oh! You ready?
Try to do 360 shove it, but without the bottom board spinning.
Don't tell him what to do.
What?
I mean, here, hold on, wait, hold on. There we go, I
The
can't.
Carlos kickflip.
Who's riding it down the banks? Who's dropping in on it? Oh no, oh no. Here, can you get away from this? Can you get away from this? Here. No, Uzi.
Already?
Well done.
No!
Whoa!
First try it.
Carlos trying to show me up. Hold up.
What? Hippie jumps, and you can like shove them.
No.
Maybe.
Oh yeah. Wow!
What are you thinking? All that would have happened is that nose would have went whap right into your gonads.
Should we go to the mini ramp?
Hit the banks first.
Hit the banks first.
Hit the banks first? Oh, he's like, I'll go to the mini ramp. You hit the banks. Fine. Maybe I will hit the banks. Oh no, guys. Oh!
I 100% think it'll work. Oh! It will work?
It'll work for sure.
Is
But
it scary?
you guys should not be standing in that area at all.
Oh! Hey, he did warn you. He did warn you. Oh! Ow!
The world's most deadliest skateboard in history.
I want a skateboard with helicopter blades on it.
Oh! His snout looks 3 times as long as it already is. Maybe just do a single hippie jump and then give one more, like a regular one, and then do one more try for the shove. Whoa! Oh!
Are we going to the mini ramp now?
Axel stall, then 360, then come back in.
You stop it right now. And by stop it, I mean keep doing that. It actually went a lot better than I thought, and that was slightly anticlimactic. Oh my god! The most awkward, annoying looking thing when he skates it like that.
I eat shins for breakfast and I'm very hungry.
Oh! I
What?
like that.
No. No.
Ow! Oh! Oh! I heard some creaking. Oh! That was rad.
I don't know what's going on.
You don't know who Johnny Cage is?
Yeah!
Mind blown.
I was thinking like you can grind as you're grinding, kind of spin with it. Can't even hold it. Never mind.
I'm gonna hit that.
Can't steer it. Should we just try the stairs now?
Yeah. Oh!
We're all like,
Oh no.
wow.
No, this is not good.
Good luck, Fetty. Wow. It's funny when you do like a normal trick that doesn't require any like weirdness. It's like nobody will understand how hard it is, but it's still cool. Tray flip, Fetty, tray flip. Tray flip.
I also want to see the 540 shove too. Whoa!
There it is.
That was weird.
You were literally that close to hitting your head on the rail. Handstand shove?
No. His little fingers.
Oh yes! That's what I'm talking about! Oh! Oh!
What the heck?
Your molar is in grave danger.
Ow!
Oh!
Can you Stop making me laugh.
Now you can see.
Look, and that was like an open taco. You broke something.
You know, handstands are the hardest if you guys are making me laugh, so ease up.
He can't hold it when he has giggles.
Your laugh is different than the ball. He still has all his molars intact.
360 flip.
What?
Does that count?
So Carlos is going to go mid-air and then spin the top board without spinning the bottom board and then land and ride away. Can it be done? Leave it in the comments below.
My shins are in extreme fear. Troy!
His molars are in grave danger.
Why? Yes!
He's going to have to put the molar on layaway with his 2 credit cards.
I don't even understand it anymore.
That's the point.
Where are the jokes going? What has occurred? So basically one of the screws is like
Stopping it
fully...
mid-show.
Okay, we extracted the screw. This was preventing it from spinning. So now that this is out, he's gonna get it.
Spin was at terminal velocity.
The top board does 360, the bottom board does 180. Board's big spin.
He's losing his balls. Chop the shin. Uh-oh, I think you broke it, man.
It's got one more try left in it.
You got this.
I didn't see any hands.
Still got some life left.
You're gonna nail it right here. First try. Oh no! That's all that's left. That's all she wrote. All right, Notification Squad, you know the drill. Make sure you're subscribed, like, have shared this video, and hashtag notification in your comment. We want to know in this video, how many degrees did this board spin? We will choose one of you lucky winners for a Braille prize package, so leave it in the comments below. Hashtag Notification Squad, how many degrees? Let's go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. I hope you enjoyed this video. We have tons of other videos just like this, so check them all out on the playlist. Some incredible stuff.
Yeah, we did do the X board.
Yeah, that was really rad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are learning to skateboard, you are awesome. If you're not, get a skateboard, learn to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com and get every single thing you need there. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.